Hey folks, Blackcross here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Last time, we basically went to the sewers, we got here and defeated the Snorkel Beast, and we're going to go ahead and tackle on this next area.
According to my database, we are headed to a shuttle designed for transporting Drek's high-value experiments.
Well, I'll give him this. He stays busy. Let's go see what he's been making.
It's a good thing they kept the designs of Drek's ships.
Intruder detected. Intruder detected.
That can't be good. Just making certain. Wow, that guy went relatively quick. Alrighty.
I'm supposed to be on vacation today.
Had to hurt. See if there's anything missing. Yep. Oh, what the? Oh, that was a helmet. Okay. I was about to say, I'm stuck.
Ain't she a beaut? Take out the
What we got here?
Unauthorized weapon removal detected. Self-destruct sequence initiated.
Well, this could be bad.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
At least we got something nice out of it. Yeah, I think I better just keep moving.
Ship will self-destruct in 20 seconds.
storage property.
You do realize that you're on a ship that is about to self-destruct.
5,
Come on.
4, 3,
Oh, come on.
2, 1.
That was close. That
We should go to planet Gaspar and find out what Dr. Nefarious is up to.
could have killed me. Oh well. Okay. Time to go to Gaspar.
Where should we go?
Now I do know in Planet Gaspar, this was technically where you got the autopilot helmet. And this one is just basically getting the hover pack. So let's see what's different here.
All right, let's go find you a new jetpack.
If I don't get distracted by all the bolts. All the
There's
bolts.
quite the operation here.
Ratchet dreamed of riding that grind rail, which he will do as soon as he finds some grind boots.
Oh shit! Well, that explains why I can't do that yet. Okay. The Pyracidal. I like it. Alright. Now I know in this one you have to...
Reinforced door. Why does everything have to be made of dense alloy?
I will try not to be offended by that.
And no, you don't. Okay.
I see we have visitors. If it isn't the latest crop of galactic morons. I hope you like it. Because you're never ever leaving!
Oh, wow. Oh boy, those guys look angry.
Mr. Zurkon is here. No one wants to allow Mr. Zurkon.
You got yourself. Oh, of course you would be this difficult. Boy, that guy's just being an... I can't even think of the word I wanted to say. Alright. Well, let's try this again. Whoa, that thing actually is walking?! Well now, that was unusual. We're going to figure this out. Ah, shh. That guy's getting annoying. There. Okay. Okay, come on, door.
Shooting my door! Those are custom made, you know?
Oh, whoa, now, hey, just a minute.
I believe we are clear.
I hope we are. Gosh. Oh, what the? Okay. Don't know why, but apparently it's that easy for me to fall in lava. Oh gosh.
Mr. Zurkon is here. You are a disease, and Mr. Zurkon is the cure. We'll be with blurred fly.
There we go.
Robots are down. Come on, we better keep moving.
Okay. Hopefully we can get through this. Whoa. What the? Come on! Don't get me wrong, I'm glad I'm getting a lot of bolts in the process, but damn! Alright. I'm cool though.
Why are these imbeciles still alive? Send those strikes to the detection tree and annihilate them before I lose my patience!
Still Dr. Nefarious. It's funny just to hear his voice. Oh! Okay, I'm dying so quickly. I'm getting a lot of new cards this recently. Okay. We're good. Gosh. This is what happens when I pick hard mode. And it also happens whenever I say this game is easy. I get this shoved right in front of my face. Come on, door. Oh, crap! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
My secret project. Will one of you morons stop them?
What the fuck? Okay, let's try this again.
Uh-oh, reinforcements. Here comes some more.
Oh gosh! This game is starting to get on my nerves. Wait, how am I dying so quickly?
Incoming enemies detected.
Holy crap. Okay, let's try that.
More enemies on approach.
Come on. What the fuck? dying terribly right now. That's just what it is. I'm just dying so bad. It is ridiculous.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Oh, come! I was careful! Okay, let me think.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Incoming dropship.
Mr. Zircon
More of them.
bullets. Mr. Zircon's only hearts beating.
Oh, no, you don't. No.
More warbots.
I'm gonna get rid of these guys once and for all.
Do you remember Mr. Zircon? You are a disease, Mr. Zircon.
See? Hey, are those grind boots?
Bypass lock. In order to bypass it, the duo would have to quickly activate all 3 pressure pads.
Are there any more, though? That's my only question. Okay, good.
Cool! Grind boots!
And that's completely unlikely.
Finally.
Where Ratchet found a shiny pair of grind
Gosh!
With his grind boots strapped on, Ratchet leapt
Whoa! Supersonic speed!
Still on the hunt for the jetpack, Ratchet used his newfound grind boots to explore the planet further.
Ooh.
Ratchet acquired a plasma striker. The pseudospectral bioscope could identify enemy weak points, but did he have the skill to hit them?
Of course. And I will.
Ratchet stylishly leapt onto the rail next to him.
Okay, slow down for me. Why? Oh well. Man, this is so freaking awesome.
Ahead.
Okay. How tough is this next area? Okay. Ah, Veritanium. Whoa! Did not count on you guys showing up.
Hey, Lombax, come here.
Wait, what? Who said that?
Don't worry, I'm a friend.
Are you sure?
I know who you are. You're the Lombax and the Warbot from the news.
Oh, and you must be the faceless minion helping Drek terrorize the galaxy.
That's just my day job. My real passion is in amateur neuroscience. I've been collecting brains from telepathopuses as a hobby for about a year now.
You collect brains as a hobby?
Okay.
I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you're single.
Studying brains is a noble pursuit. If I can tap into the psychic powers of these telepathopuses, I'll be able to raise an army. Then we'll see who thinks they can steal my food out of the company fridge. I mean, I can contribute to the good of all blog kind. Say, if you can collect a few telepathopus brains for me, I'll give you this jetpack.
That works. So we just gotta collect 10 brains.
This is disgusting.
Not one. Nice work.
Oh well. Something tells me we're gonna need more for later on. These guys don't stand a chance against me. And my Pyrocitor! Okay, so here we go. There we go. That's got the door. Alright. We're halfway through it, so this shouldn't be a problem now. Whoa.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Just a few more.
Alrighty. What is that? Is that supposed to be a telepathopus? I hope I don't alarm it. If I alarm it, I could be in trouble. Whoa, whoa. Yay. Okay, I didn't alarm that one. Good, 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 good.
You did it! Come on back. The jetpack is yours.
Okay, hold on just a moment. What the? I think I pissed it off. Yeah, I believe I pissed it off.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Can I shoot it from here? I can, actually. Doesn't do a lot of damage, but I can. If it would come back here!
Mr. Zircon is full.
Come on.
Nice.
Got in. Whoa! That was quite a reward.
Outstanding! You just completed a card set.
And I got a lot of duplicates.
You just completed a set. Impressive.
There we go. Now to talk to... How do I do that? Guess we just gotta go all the way back then, don't we? Or we could just keep looking for some more brains. That could work too. Why not, right? I think that's all we can look for, huh? It is, isn't it? Oh well. Okay, let's get back.
A deal's a deal. Here you go. I tell you what. I actually have a top-secret Drek Industries info pact. If you bring me a few more brains, I might be willing to part with it.
You really have a thing for brains, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And with that jetpack, Ratchet became the aerial scourge of 1,000 worlds. Or at least his commute got easier.
Okay, fair enough. Alrighty. So now that I got the jetpack, we can go ahead and end the episode. So, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, this is Black Rose signing off. Take care, guys.